Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So today I will show you guys how can you win high budget bid like project like 12,500 we just won and deliver to the client, but we take the help from ChatGPT. How Here you can see this was a project posted by one of the respective client, and we like placed our bid like this 12,500 for building this video editor. So after 2 months of work we have done completed the thing, and this is the thing that you can see that we just need to filter like latest project. So I will go for like what is your expertise, go for Android. So I will pick the project from which is doing good on Android. Okay, looking for an Android developer course captions for image download. Okay, so we'll try to beat this project and build me a wearable app fix login. This is pretty simple. SMS feature, this is also build me an IPTV application. This is one of the application we can. Okay, and like simple remote control mobile delivery, this is rental collection. So prediction application published so 9 hours ago. Meeting management, build a gaming app. Okay, new food delivery and website, this is it. So this project, this one, so we'll beat one by one, looking for it. So what let us look into this. I want to develop the simple application course. Images app should have categories, subcategories. So I will take this feature list of the client requirements. So I'll go to the straightforward to ChatGPT, open a new window. So I will tell ChatGPT, write a bit based on the client given description. Then I will instruct him like use hello sir and use our company name like debug station limited. So here it is. Then I paste that. Then what ChatGPT done? Let's see. Hello sir, as you mentioned, thank you for considering debug station limited as a potential developer of, we understand that. Okay, our experienced team. Okay, based on new requirements. Okay, okay. So the writing bit is getting high, so I will just copy this total response that is generated by ChatGPT. After that I'll copy and I'll go to this project. Then I will set it is saying over character limit, so we will just cut something. After that what we'll do, we'll just okay, now this is going fine. Place the project. So this kind of project we can do it 12,500, time taken 15 days. So we just place the page successfully here. After that we'll get this project, and so here it is. We'll use the same prompt. Here it is, copy and just concat it with it, and then I'll try to comment it out. So see how fast this writing the bit uniquely that we can't never do in a short time previously. This is the life changing things. So you just need to keep in mind one thing, that you should bid on this project that you can deliver smoothly. like not as like uh, uh bid on some random project, as you need to deliver when you will win the bid. So you are just need to uh, study the bid fast, and after that place it bid is placed. Okay, I am looking for 100 SMS. This is low budget project, so we'll not bid on this. This is works on Android TV and interface. This is also a low budget project. And after that the mobile, okay, this is a high volume project. So okay, react the app must be in React Native, so currently we will not do any work with React Native. And then after prediction application complete and published, so this will be as a one milestone, everything paid after the project is complete. Okay, this is long term project. Okay, please bid if you end by March. Okay, rise my best 750 750 designs only. So let us see the design. Okay, okay. So I don't think we need those. So for now, this is the way you just can. After that, you will get a response from your client, and you just open a conversation like we did with the client this way. And uh, see how many client is like bidding on this project, like many client. So many client will get knock you for doing their project, and if you can work high, a high quality product you can deliver. So if I see that how many bids is so like our client is seeing our bid. So here you can see this is the ratio that this client seeing our bid, this one sees our bid. So this client potentially knocked us, so conversation is going on. This is how the thing is work on Freelancer. It's not a rocket engineering to find a client and quit for. So currently if you can see my projects, so current work, so we almost have around like what you can call 300 GBP pound for 12,000 project, 407 project. So this amount of project is running over here. So this is it. You can also past work like this amount of work we completed. And like as freelancer, there is huge opportunities that you can work on freelancer. So this is it. By help we get help from ChatGPT, you can make your work faster and more convenient. And if you have some problem with the conversation with the client, you can always get up the chat uh, niche and paste here and get the reply. How can you reply? A reply will be like so that GPT will give you the best reply, I think. Thank you for watching. I hope if you like this video, suggest me some next video so I can make another video based on these topics.